All right. What we got? It's the beginning of the subdivision. Let's see how it looks. Wall here. Man, I'm gonna have to probably pressure wash that. All right, so we'll be back here tomorrow. We'll go all the way down there. Curves and sidewalk. All the way down. That'll be the third day. It's the second day where we're at from up top. Stop right here. On this side, that's their property. So we're not doing that, but this is what we're doing. The roads. He's doing the turbo nozzle now on the roads. Stop right there on the surface cleaning. Sidewalks, curving. Well, day 3, let's go. We ended down there on that turn down there. That's where we ended on that turn. Let's go. Let's get it. We're gonna get around to this corner around here. Then we gotta go on the back side. And we got another curve that we gotta do. And we gotta do a little small playground area. I'm trying to wrap this up today. Let's see what happens. That's the difference. All right, we came from down there. This is it right here. Got the little playground area. You can pour the big surface cleaner off. This area right here. Say we did the front entry right there, the curbing all the way around right there. That thing white. We did the curves over here, sidewalk over there. Over here, we did the wall right there. All look good. On both sides, we did both sides. Look at them, look clean, 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 clean. Both sides, everything look clean, man. Check them up through here. Both sides, look how white it is. Project, y'all. Y'all stay tuned.